Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to find exactly where you're logged in on Facebook by date using the new update on the Facebook app for PC. This feature is essential for keeping your account secure and checking if there's any unusual activity on your profile. To get started, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options, but we're going to focus on something very important for your account security. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, find and click on Activity Log. This section keeps a detailed record of everything you do on Facebook, but for now, we want to head towards the security details. Next, go to Security and Login Information. This will bring you to a page dedicated to your login activity. Now click on the option labeled Where You're Logged In. Here, Facebook shows all the devices and locations where your account is currently active or was recently accessed. This is incredibly useful for spotting any suspicious logins. At the top of the page, you will notice a Date option. Click on it. This lets you filter your login activity by specific dates, making it easier to track when and where your account was accessed during a chosen period. Once you click on Date, a menu will appear asking you to choose the period you want to review. You can select from several options depending on your needs, which helps narrow down the login records. After you've picked the date range, don't forget to hit Save Changes to apply your selection. By following these simple steps, you'll have a clear view of your Facebook login history by date, helping you maintain control over your account and quickly spot any unwanted access. Regularly checking this section is a great habit to keep your profile safe in today's digital world. Now you know exactly how to find where you are logged in on Facebook by date using the new update on the app for PC. Stay secure, and thanks for watching.